So I've now started getting the parking sensor warning coming up. So every time I put the car in reverse, it bings up saying the parking sensors aren't working. So the best way to determine if it's actually a fault with one of the parking sensors is you can actually listen to them. So all you want to do is go to a really quiet area, put the ignition on, so don't turn the car on, put the ignition on, put it in reverse. You can see the reversing lights come on and stuff, but say, because it's just the ignition on, it won't actually be moving. And then you can come around and you can actually listen to each of the parking sensors. So what you want to do is get your ear really close and you can hear it like sort of beep, 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 very quiet. And also sometimes you can slightly feel it as well. And then what you can do is you can check all 4 of them and then you'll probably be able to find one that isn't actually working. So that's what happened to me. So I listened to them all 3 of them making sound, 1 of them isn't. So all I did, went online and bought a replacement. So this is a used genuine BMW part and it's also the same colour as well, space grey. So what should be a simple case today is work out how to take the bumper off and then just take out the old one, put in the new one, and it should work absolutely fine and solve the problem. So underneath the car I'll work my way around and undo all of the bolts holding it in place. So I've now gone round and undone all of these and they're all along the bottom, and then also there was about 3 in here in the back of the wheel arch. As soon as I undone them, started prising it. As you can see, it's all coming away nicely, nice and loose at the bottom there. So I'm just going to work my way around, just prising it off, being very careful not to pull it off because I don't want to snap anything. As you can see, I've also taken off the lights as well. That's just so I can get my fingers in this bit here. Oh, there we go, it's literally just pulling away. As you can see, the bumper is now completely off, and in fact it was just connected by a load of these all around the bottom and in the wheel arches, and then just slotted in around the top there. So this is the old one, just taken that off and just got the new one out of the packet. So it should be a simple case of just plug and play, and they look the same, which is always a good sign. Push it in like so, and that should all be sorted. So what I'm going to do now is go in and once again put the ignition on, put it in reverse, and hopefully won't get the warning, and hopefully it will start beeping like crazy as they're all really close to something now. Right, let's hope it works. Well, as you can hopefully hear, it's now working, which is great. And that was much easier than I was expecting it to be. So there you go, that's all it, taken apart, put the new parking sensor in, and it's working fine, checked it and everything. So I'm just going to put them back in their holes and then push the bumper back on and then just redo all those little bolts I took off, and that should be everything finished. So excellent. So I've managed to line up this side okay. As you can see, it's pretty much in the groove, just need to finish clipping it in. However, the other side, I need to get this ridge here on top of that, and it's proving quite challenging. Cool, and it's back on. So it's actually easier than I thought. What you need to do is you need to clip it in. So I went around the other side, make sure it was fully clipped in, and that, because it brought it in closer to the car, it meant it got closer, so there's more room to do it. So now, yeah, just going to replace all the bolts inside the wheel arch and underneath, and that should be finished. So the bumper's all back on now, fully fixed, checked again, and the parking sensor is still working, which is great. So now it's a simple case of just put the lights back in, and then that's it, finished. And as you can hear, they're all now fixed and working well.